Hello my friends, Ellen here. I welcome all of you back to my Southern Kitchen. Hope y'all had a wonderful holiday season, doing well, staying safe and healthy. Can you believe New Year's is 2 days away? 2021 went by so fast. Well, today I'm going to share with all of y'all a Southern staple. Yummy appetizers that'll be perfect for your New Year's Eve gathering. We're going to make cheese straws. And my friends, these are so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious. And it's going to be bursting with cheese. The guests will go crazy over these. And if y'all a cheese lover, y'all going to love these. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my other appetizers, fried ravioli and shrimp and grits on toast. And my previous video, peppermint hot chocolate. I'll post links to all three of those down below in the description box. So grab your butter, your flour, and get your cheese grating sugar, because we're about to bake some cheese straw magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is make up the dry ingredients. In my bowl and sifter, I have 2 cups of self-rising flour. And we're going to add in 1/4 teaspoon each of kosher salt and cayenne pepper for a little kick. We're going to sift these together. So now we're going to set the dry ingredients aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my large bowl, I have 1 cup, which is 2 sticks of unsalted butter at room temperature. And in 2-hour butter, we're going to add in 2 cups of cheese. I'm using 1 cup each of sharp cheddar and Colby-jack cheese. And I recommend grating it yourself instead of buying it pre-shredded because it melts better. And we're going to cream these on medium speed until they're well incorporated. Alright my friends, now we're going to slowly add the flour mixture into the cheese and butter mixture. Going to mix this in until it's well incorporated. Alright my friends, and just that quickly, our cheese batter is done. See how simple and easy it was? And this is what it looked like. That looks great. So I'm going to pour my batter into a bag and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I have placed my cheese batter into my piping bag with a star piping tip. Now ready to pipe them. We're going to place them on the 9 by 13 inch cookie sheet that lined with parchment paper. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish making my cheese straws and I'll bring you back. Alrighty my friends, I got all my cheese straws together. Now ready to put them in the oven. We're going to put them in a preheated 350 degree oven. And we're going to let it bake for about 12 to 15 minutes. And I'll bring you back. Alrighty my friends, I have taken my cheese straws out of the oven. It smells amazing. See how nice and golden brown they are? Alright, so now I'm going to let them cool for a few minutes and then I'll put them on my plate and then we'll give it a taste. Alright my friends, there you have it. Southern cheese straws. Don't that look good? And I'm serving it with my homemade creamy dipping sauce. I'll put a recipe to that down below in the description box. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. Look at that texture. Airy, light, and delicate. That's a nice little crunch. Cheesy. I love that little kick of the cayenne pepper. And that dipping sauce is awesome. These are spectacular, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Cheese strawlicious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook or Instagram. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadeDelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, stay safe, and I want to wish all of you a happy and safe New Year. Much love.